Jersey is a great state because we are a manufacturing state. And you are the manufacturing heroes. You're essential. You keep New Jersey and the world moving.
Good morning. I'm Dean Paranicus, President and CEO of the Healthcare Institute of New Jersey, often referred to as HINJ around Trenton and Washington, D.C. HINJ represents 20 of the leading research-based biopharmaceutical and medical technology companies in the world, most of whom have a global, North American or U.S. headquarters or significant presence in New Jersey. Our members serve patients worldwide and are a large part of an industry that generates more than $83 billion annually in economic activity in New Jersey, or 14% of the state's gross domestic product. The life science industry supports, directly and indirectly, about 430,000 jobs in New Jersey, more than 10% of all jobs in the state, and donates hundreds of millions of dollars annually to hundreds and hundreds of healthcare, education, and cultural nonprofit organizations throughout the state. You can find additional information about the life sciences industry in New Jersey on our website at www.hinj.org. Now I have the privilege of introducing the chair of the HINJ Board of Trustees, Jack Cox, to make the presentation. Mr. Cox is Senior Director, Market Access Strategy with Novo Nordisk, a world leader in diabetes care, whose North American headquarters is based in Plainsboro, New Jersey. He earned a Bachelor of Science degree in education from Bowling Green University and an MBA from Marshall University before beginning his career in the pharmaceutical industry and working for major companies such as US Pharmacia, Pfizer, and Sandoz before joining Novo Nordisk. It is my pleasure to introduce Jack Cox.
New Jersey has a long and distinguished legacy as one of the world's foremost innovation hubs and the birthplace of American industry. Starting with Alexander Hamilton's founding of the Society of Establishing Useful Manufacturers and its establishment of the city of Paterson on the Great Falls as the country's first manufacturing center. Being the center of manufacturing in this country was another draw that made New Jersey an attractive location for the pharmaceutical industry to put down roots more than 135 years ago, ultimately leading to New Jersey becoming known as the medicine chest of the world. This relationship has flourished for more than a century and has become a major underpinning of the state's economy. Today, New Jersey is one of the top 2 states in the nation for having the most facilities manufacturing FDA-approved products and the #1 state for life sciences manufacturing employees. To maintain this manufacturing prowess and support its premier industry, New Jersey needs to produce a steady pipeline of workers trained in the latest high-tech, smart manufacturing skills and platforms to reinforce our standing as a world-class manufacturing center. For this reason, HINJ is pleased to recognize the New Jersey Manufacturing Extension Program, ProAction Education Network, with our Excellence in STEM Education Award for its outstanding work preparing students and upgrading the skills of the current workforce in the latest manufacturing practices and technologies. Through training programs, apprenticeships, and other innovation programs, the New Jersey Manufacturing Extension Program, ProAction Education Network, is preparing the next generation of workers who will keep New Jersey on the cutting edge of manufacturing. Your efforts are key to ensuring that New Jersey has the kind of workforce needed to support our high-tech innovation economy and a competitive innovation ecosystem for all its innovator industries to sustain our state's standing as a global innovation leader. We thank you for your steadfast commitment and service to fulfilling this critical workforce need and for your advocacy on behalf of workers and New Jersey's manufacturers. Congratulations.
On behalf of the New Jersey Manufacturing Extension Program's ProAction Education Network, it is with great thanks to the Healthcare Institute of New Jersey in awarding us with the Excellence in STEM Education Award. It's a privilege to be standing here with you today from our Southern New Jersey Belmore office in recognition of this award. To be able to be recognized for our diligence and efforts through innovative approach, but more importantly, the successful execution from such a vision, it comes with great thanks. In the 15 years of experience that I've had in working with workforce development, this organization has accomplished more in a challenging space in a reasonably short time frame. And that is contributed to the efforts of this team that's standing with you here today. Our entire ProAction Education team is grateful to help drive forward the New Jersey Manufacturing Extension Program mission to create a robust and thriving New Jersey manufacturing industry. The understanding of such a critical nature is due to the engagement and participation of industry, our partners within the state, and our partners within the agencies throughout the state, but more importantly, the candidates that participate in these programs that are then empowered to connect with the career workplace. It is with great thanks to Chairman Jack Cox and the distinguished members of the board of the Healthcare Institute of New Jersey for bestowing this honor upon us and to further enable us to trek forward throughout these times. We look forward to connecting with you. Thank you.